On this episode, we're rescuing this 400 kilowatt Aussie icon, the FG G6E Turbo with the world famous barra. To be honest, this car needs a respray as the clear coat has started to fail, but stay tuned to see just how amazing we got it to look, and hopefully prolonged the need for a respray for a few years to come. Starting with my test patch, you'll notice an absence of tape. That is because I've found tape on damaged paint such as this can etch beyond what is able to be removed. After one quick pass with Koch Chemie F6 fine cut and a Lake Country orange pad, I was shocked to see the paint come back to life to the extent that it did. You will notice some hazing in the reflection of the light, which is very uncommon with the fine cut. My suspicion is that the paint was so damaged that the compound became sticky and clogged, and the paint had fine marring spoils on it. This was easily remedied later on though, as you will see. The roof was the worst affected panel on the car, so I adopted a different approach. At first, I used Koch Chemie Schliffen paste with a Rupes blue heavy cut microfiber pad. High RPM speed and moderate arm speed ensured the top layer of damaged paint would be removed quickly. Next, I switched to a Lake Country orange pad and Koch F6 again, with high RPM and low arm speed to remove defects and lessen the marring caused in the previous step. I did the extra step in order to save my pad from getting badly clogged, as well as save time knocking back the dead paint. It also saw a reduction in that sticky residue that the bonnet suffered from. Finally, I finished it off with a Mint Pro red pad and Koch Micro Cut with a low machine speed and fast arm speed to achieve a perfect finish. I was blown away by the results that I personally did not think were possible. The panels that were not upward facing were nowhere near as bad and certainly not as UV damage, meaning a 3-stage process wasn't overly useful, and F6 fine cut was enough to remove most of the defects. I then went around the whole car with microcut to give it that final perfect finish. You will see the gain in clarity achieved in just a sec. After wiping down the car with Bowden's flash prep, we applied 2 layers of Gtechniq Crystal Serum Lite to help protect the weakened paint from returning to its disastrous state. That's a wrap on this huge project restoring and saving this Aussie beast from a certain respray. I hope you were all as blown away as I was with the results. As always, like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe.